trying to tell us something. There must be a way to figure out what it's saying.
But Astro, there's nothing robotic about a plant. How can you communicate with it? Got it!
CBBC, we're up for almost anything, and we can't wait to come and hang out with you and your mates. So, if you've ever wanted to score a new goalie on your team, or borrow a pair of extra feet for a dance routine, or even fancy training a CBBC presenter to do something a little bit different, then get in touch because we want to hear from you. We've already been milking cows.
That's my milk coming out in there.
Taking school assemblies,